Chicken livers are super delicious when cooked perfectly, and I love this recipe because it's a cheap way to include some proteins in your meals or diet. If you don't know, chicken livers have some benefits in our body. For example, they have zinc and iron. They're rich in zinc and iron, which is good for everyone, but especially pregnant women who need these nutrients. To serve these delicious chicken livers, I'm also going to be making crepes, so watch until the end of the video to learn how to make delicious, soft and light crepes. So to get started, you're going to move over to the stove top and place a pan over medium-low flame. Next, you're going to add in about a tablespoon of cooking oil and a knob of butter. Let me give you a quick tip. When cooking with butter, add in a little bit of cooking oil. This is going to stop the butter from burning because it has milk properties. Before cooking the chicken livers, you're going to soak in milk or water for around 15 minutes. This is going to remove toxins from the liver. After, you're going to rinse the chicken livers once more, and then you're going to pat dry, ready for cooking. Add in my chicken livers. You're going to sear the chicken livers for around 1 to 2 minutes over medium-high flame. Once you're done searing the chicken livers and they have some very nice golden brown color, you're going to transfer to a plate. After searing the chicken livers, the aroma in the kitchen is so nice. I'm starting to salivate. So in the same pan, with the same cooking oil, you're going to add in 1 medium onion. Cooking the onion in the same oil that I used to sear my chicken livers is going to add more flavor because the pan or the cooking oil adds some lovely chicken liver juices, and the fond in the bottom of the pan is also going to add a lot of flavor to our chicken liver recipe. Remember, the chicken liver is not yet fully cooked. I've just seared the chicken to add some lovely golden brown color on top of the chicken liver and also to add a bit of flavor to the chicken livers. When cooking the onion, reduce the flames from medium-high to medium-low flame. Cook the onions until golden brown. As the onion is cooking, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Stir everything together. Add in a knob of more butter, and this is going to add even more flavor to the onions. Once the onions have a very lovely golden brown color, I'm going to be adding in my tomatoes. I'm using 2 large blended tomatoes. Add in some peri peri seasoning and 1 seasoning cube. Stir the spices together with the tomatoes and let the tomatoes slowly cook over medium-low flame for around a minute or until fully cooked. After around 2 minutes of cooking my tomatoes, this is how the tomatoes are looking like, and they're fully cooked. And also, as you can see, the tomatoes are fully reduced into a paste-like tomato sauce. So next, I'm going to add in a splash of water because my pan is drying out. Place back my chicken livers. Stir in the chicken livers into the delicious sauce, and then I'm going to let my chicken livers cook for around 3 to 5 minutes over medium-low flame. Over here, I've already assembled my ingredients for making my crepes. So I have some all-purpose flour, eggs, sugar, salt, vanilla, and some milk. Yes. So immediately my chicken livers are ready, I'm going to go to the next step of making crepes. After around 2 minutes, you're going to add in your cooking cream. Once you add the cooking cream, you're going to reduce the flames to low and cook the chicken livers for around 3 to 4 minutes until the chicken livers are looking very creamy and delicious. Once the chicken liver is ready, you're going to place aside. Next, you're going to pick another pan for your crepes. To make it very easy, I'm going to be adding everything in my glass jar. So I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. Next, I'm going to add in my milk, vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Those are the wet ingredients. So next, I'm going to be adding in the dry ingredients. So I'm going to start off with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, sugar, and my all-purpose flour. Using my hand blender, I'm going to mix everything together. It's nice to have some simple gadgets in the house because they make work very easy. For example, my hand blender. So you're going to blend all your ingredients until nice and smooth. Now it's time for cooking my crepes. So I'm going to place a pan over medium-high flame. Add in your butter, swirl around. Once you notice some lovely golden brown color on the edges of the crepe, you're going to flip. Add in a teaspoon of cooking oil and using your spatula, you're going to move the crepe around so that you can have some lovely dark spots on the other side of the crepe. Add in some more butter and spread around. Wait for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And when you notice that the crepes have a golden brown color on the edges, you're going to pick your spatula and flip. Add in some cooking oil. Using my spatula, I'm going to move around so that the crepe can be coated with the cooking oil so that you can get those lovely dark spots. Check out those lovely dark golden spots. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. So now I'm going to transfer to a plate. Nice. Then you're going to make the rest. I love the aroma in the kitchen. That means that the crepes are super delicious. So I'm going to flip and my crepe is ready. Transfer to the rest of the crepes and then I'm going to make my last crepe. So you're going to add in some butter. Spread around. So the flour was not enough to make one full crepe, so I'm just going to make this one and enjoy while I plate my delicious chicken livers together with my crepes. I love how my crepes are crispy on the edges and also they are light and soft and super delicious. So it's time to plate my chicken livers together with crepes. As you're serving the chicken livers, you're going to notice that the chicken livers are very creamy and also the aroma is just so nice because they're very buttery. Next, I'm going to pick my crepe and fold in half. Then I'm going to roll just like that and place on my plate. Everything is ready, and now it's time to taste my chicken livers. So I'm going to pick my crepe, scoop out some of that delicious sauce. I'm also going to taste the chicken livers. Wow, so nice. The outcome is some soft, very creamy, mouth-watering chicken livers, and the crepes are cooked to perfection. You can serve this over brunch or breakfast and you'll totally enjoy, or you can serve over some mashed potatoes, rice for lunch or dinner.